Hello, my name is Helen Eaglin, and this is my fears survey for EDCI 270. So this is a survey that relates to my IM course theme, which is leadership development. And I believe that fears are really important into digging deep into finding your confidence and how to be a leader. So this is my Google form that I made, and here are some of my questions. I have some like selecting, some short answer, and some like different questions, just so I can see like what people think and if they really do have fears. And so I sent this out to a couple of my peers, and I got 13 responses. And and on the responses, like, I can see how many people put what and like percentages. And surprisingly, like, do you have any fears? There's somebody who does not, and I think that's really cool. And then I also had them say what kind of fears that they have, and it was really interesting to see what they were actually scared of. And a lot of people on this question, you can see that they put like more than one, but a lot of the most common thing I see is heights, and I thought that was cool. Again, here's another one, and I also asked this question about Michelle Poehler because I want to have her be a part of my IM course report. So this is my fear survey, and this is how I collected my responses, and I believe that utilizing online assessment tools is really important. Thank you.